Alright, so here are a few tips if your smoke detector or detectors are beeping. So our homes have these ones that are actually wired. So there's a battery backup as well, but the wired smoke detectors, they're all connected to each other. So if one is beeping, they're all beeping. So sometimes it can be a bit challenging because you have to one by one kind of go through them to figure out if the battery needs to be replaced. So in that case, we pull that battery cover. Pop this guy out. Then you can simply replace the battery, or if you have one of these voltmeters, we get it to DC voltage. Connect the leads. In this case, we are still good, but 9 volt. Sometimes these will actually read more than even 10.2. So if you're around the 9, now the battery is still good. Then you can pop the battery right back in, new one or the existing one. In this case, you can actually remove this. So to remove it, we're turning it counterclockwise, and it'll pop right out. There's a little tab here to remove the cable. So we'll look at the date. So the date on this one is 2015, so which is not good. That means this battery's lifespan is done. So they're typically for 8 to 10 years. So again, in this case, this is a 10-year smoke detector. Even the battery is good, you should be replacing it too. In order to do that, we'll pop this guy right out. There's a little tab here. So pull that tab, and it will pop right out. If you bought the same kind, you don't necessarily need to install the base plate. You can just rotate it and pull it out. So this one, the brand new one, was actually manufactured in 2023. So we've already lost a year and a half. So basically, we'll pull this battery tab to activate it, close it up, then throw it right back on there. Then turn it clockwise. You can do a little test. We got the green light. We should be good to go.